Hey, long time no see. Today I'm looking at the Frog Mini by Geonworks. While I thought that the sound was okay, the Frog Mini makes up for it in character and in style. Up until the Frog line, Geonworks had always adopted an industrial look, with sharp lines that exuded power and status. But the Frog Mini's a little different. The lines are softer, the corners are rounded, there's even cute chicken scrawl on the back. All of these factors give the endearing Frog Mini an instantly recognizable place in Geonworks' pantheon of keyboards. Alright, let's quickly talk about how I built this keyboard. I took the case out of the packaging and just look at this anodization quality. The Frog Mini has an internal and external brass weight. Again, absolutely flawless. The default plate is aluminum. I bought some extra foam just in case, and some extra tadpoles. For the PCB, I went with the hot swap option, using these new TX Almost Perfect stabilizers. If I'm honest, I don't feel any difference between these ones and the old revisions. Here's what they sound like. For this build, I went with the Cherry MX Hyperglide Blacks. Very overlooped, by the way. Instead of gaskets, we used these tiny bump-ons that Geon calls tadpoles. And for keycaps, we're using GMK Dandy, which cost me so much. And to really make this a frog build, we're adding the Osume Matcha Artisan. Okay, quick sound test time. I was seriously not expecting this keyboard to be this quiet. Next I tried adding a little case foam, but I don't think there was much improvement. I also swapped the spacebar to an Owlab neon switch because I felt that the Hyperglides were a bit too dull. Do I recommend this keyboard? Well, at the 15% off price that I got it at, absolutely. But at normal pricing, this is a pretty tough sell, because the sound definitely falls behind its looks. Regardless, this is still going to be my daily driver for the next few weeks. Personally, I don't mind how quiet the board sounds. But most importantly, I love frogs. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you next time.